Okay. Hey guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. Well, this box won't let me jump on it. I'm supposed to go find the motor of the boat I just found, and well, it seems like it's not going to be close. Don't just throw something at me. Jeez. Gonna drink that. Okay. Now the boat is all the way over here for some reason, and I'm supposed to find a way to bring it back. I'm supposed to bring the boat thing back. That thing is, I'm being hunted down by zombies. Oh, did I kill everybody over here? Please tell me I did. Because I don't want to fight to go get something that I've already fought for. Okay, zombies. It's the suicide again. Oh my god. Blow up for once. See, that's not a comforting sound. That moan of death. That's not comforting. Of me trying to go get this. Do I have to literally enter a workshop? What workshop? What workshop do I have to enter? I don't see a workshop. Oh, this workshop. I was just in here. Okay, I was just making sure there's no zombies. Already entered this workshop. Where's the stinking motor? Ah, you can't get me. There's a motor in here. Is that the motor? That zombie just jumped over the fence. That made me scared. There's the motor in here. Why did I just go all that way to find out I just had to jump over this fence? Why is it this hard to jump on a box? That's my question. I am jumping as much as I can. Okay, there we go. I just jumped across the box, okay. Now I need to get back over on the fence.
It's got to be here.
Yes, it's gotta. Where's the motor? No, the motor is here somewhere. Oh my god, I might not even find the motor. There's a strong possibility that I just might not ever find the motor. That's a really strong possibility right now. Okay. Let me. There's the motor in here. I don't feel like this is a good idea. Okay, see, this is probably what I kept hearing. Crap. Yeah, come at me, you thug. It's in your penis. You have no penis now. I have like no weapons against this guy. Inventory. Oh, I have all this. Could have used this entire time. Don't care if it's a diving knife. God. Where are you, big guy? Shut up. Probably like a lot of crap in you. Looking for the boat engine. And I found it. First though, I'm gonna get the cane. Oh man, probably devil. Fragile wrench instead of that. Gonna use this, my police baton, to whack them off. Okay, I found the boat engine. Now, how am I supposed to get out of here?
Ha! Dead for good.
Okay, removing the barrier. Please, zombies, don't try and eat me when I come out with this. Please. I'm trying to get to my boat as fast as I can. I'll get there. Okay, I got.
Fingers crossed that road is still intact. I'll let you know once I'm over there.
Okay, let's drive. Now, where am I supposed to go? I just made a floater fly. That's nearly impossible. So that's an achievement. I don't trust anyone in this. They're running after me, so I should hurry up and get to my place. Running over zombies with boats, running over zombies with boats, running over zombies with boats. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. My dream job is running over zombies with boats. I'm running them over as fast as I can. I'm running them over as fast. I'm hitting them in their faces and crying back to their dad. Sorry, I'm just really festive to running over zombies with a boat. Okay, I have to boat down slow down. There's a boat right here. Have to find the river way back. Have to find the river way back. Have to find the river way back. I'm going to find the way back in my boat. Just don't know how. Just don't know how. La 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 la. Get in the flipping boat. Yes. Now I don't know where to go. Now I don't know where to go. I need to find a way home. Need to find the river way back. I need to find the river way back. I have to find the river way back. Don't know where to go. Okay, I'm gonna pause until I get there. Okay. Okay, I got there, but then I just forgot to save, and well, yeah, the thing's a no-go.
So much for the road. Henderson. So close, and yet so far.
Why
No point in going this way, Harlow. The bloody road's gone, washed out.
I was hoping we'd catch a break.
Yeah, not likely. Any suggestions?
Head back to Hawaii and see if they know another way to Henderson. It's the only real choice at this point.
I'll see what I can do.
Okay, please subscribe or comment on this video, and goodbye.